See your nose, it's in the way, Shanti.
Do you like it here? We're going into that forest.
To show you more of the autumn colors. The colors of
Autumn. We go up there.
Up there, where? Up? Go! Go, Goofy, go! Go! What is this? Go! Go! So another thing here in Austria is it's very important for them to go for a walk.
First.
No. He said
Because
ladies
it's nice,
first.
the sun is disappearing. Yeah.
Okay. We have to go because
Now you have to switch the camera.
so but room.
Because it was a nice picture when the sun is shining through the kind of leaves. And you're not
So
happy.
okay.
The cookie is very excited, see?
Girl baby's too excited. So there are small trails in their mountains here because people like to go for hike. Oh, what's this that? I thought it's a snake.
Wait, come.
What is that, honey?
You have to go closer.
What is that? Oh.
Yeah.
Now you go closer. What is it that?
No, it's a plant that is growing up the tree.
Look, honey, it's falling. The leaves are falling. If you see an Austrian flag on a tree, I think that means you're in the right track. Oder?
Yeah, that means you're on an Austrian track because there are tracks also close to the border, then you can be orientated that you stay within the right country.
So?
Yeah.
So if you see a tree with Austrian flag, that means you're still in Austria.
Exactly.
Come.
You feel Alice okay?
You know what?
What?
I'm not wearing the right shoes for this. Ist alles in Ordnung? Bist du? But you know what? The other subscribers call me. They call me mommy, honey.
So?
Maybe that means we're going to have a child soon. So I'm going to be mommy now.
Right now in Austria, the corona numbers are very high. It's 5,000 newly infected
Every day?
every day. Is it true?
Yeah.
I wonder how it's in the Philippines. Maybe you can write it in the comments down below. What sucks to about corona, Gui? What sucks to about corona? What sucks to about corona, Gui? What sucks to about corona? You don't care about corona? Are you immune? Are you immune, Gui? Are you immune? Immune? Are you immune? It sucks.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And
If you're interested on more stuff like this, then
please subscribe to our channel.
and ring the bell
Ring the bell.
if you want to be informed if we have a new one.
Yeah.
So we're going back now.
There's something that I really want to show you because the Goofy is very fond of me, and when we're going for a hike, if he can no longer see me, then he is going to search for me. What do you say, honey? Should we do it now? Yeah, we do it. See, he's waiting for me. We have to go down first, that he's going to move. Then when he starts moving, then I will try to hide, and then he's going to look for me. Oh no, why are you always looking at me now? You have to go. Look, he's just staring at me.
I'm afraid he figured out our intentions, honey.
I think he figured out already what we're about to do. The Shao, look at the Goofy. Goofy. Not moving anymore. Hello. But that was not a good hiding spot, honey.
Because he knew that you were there.
Yeah.
Easy for him to find you.
Easy. He's always looking back at me.
See you guys.